Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we are back with another haul, I guess. We are doing an unboxing actually. Tis the season for decorations and whatnot. I thought this would be ideal too if you were thinking of doing a New Year's Eve party and you want to help yourself out. So, this is a purchase from Amazon. But as you can see, Balloon Time is called Balloon Time, always up for celebrating, made in the USA, helium anytime. Jumbo helium kit inflates up to 50 and 9-inch latex balloons, ready in a snap. It is net contents of 14.9 feet. Don't crucify me. I think that's what it means. So, all the it's also in Spanish. There's translations here as well. Perfect for any occasion: birthdays, bridal shower, celebrations, everyday moments, graduations. 1 to 2 hours before event for best results inflate balloons. Okay, so it gives you some guidelines, also warning statements as well. And as you can see, can give you instructions on how to use. I'm sure there's videos on YouTube. I may do a follow-up video just to kind of show you guys in case you haven't already seen YouTube videos on how-tos. But as you can see, 9-inch, 12-inch, 18 inches, up to 36 inches maximum. Maximize your float time. So, latex. Nonetheless, it comes with a security seal. I'm going to try to open. And we will be right back so you can see the actual content of the product. We will be right back. Okay, I was able to open that. Get a pair of scissors. That's all I will say, y'all. And as you can see, yes, it is a nice kind of pinkish looking iron. Sounds very much irony, I think. Product has a nozzle, has the actual where you open. Um, and yes, and balloons. Balloon time for best results. Inflates balloons 1 to 2 hours before event. Good to know. Rotate value. Full four full turns. Okay, how to use it. Place balloon on black nozzle, hold in space. So instructions for sure. Gently press down near the end of nozzle and release helium. Balloontime.com. So let's take her out so you can see her in all her glory. Hold on a second. And before we go there too, you can see they do give you X amount of balloons with the package, and they come in an assortment of colors. Very nice. Okay, be right back. And this is how she looks, ladies and gentlemen. It comes with nice handlebars, nozzle, the actual turning of it so it opens. Valve. I'm sorry, I couldn't think of it. Balloon time, helium at any time. It is pretty sturdy. Um, yeah, I think this is perfect. Perfect for parties and any occasion, ready in a snap like it demonstrated on the box. And the balloons that come with it. You can use these, and I think, or you can, I'm going to try with some biodegradable balloons, and I will put that in another video following this one. But I hope you liked this quick video, an unboxing of Balloon Time Helium Tank. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. Let us know in the comments down below. Is this something that you would be interested in purchasing? It is available on Amazon.com. And if you would like to follow us here on my channel, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY haul or review and unboxing. So also, I'm also doing a GoFundMe. If you are interested in any more information on that, please hit the description box down below. And until my next video, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.